Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I did this DIY jumbo lemonade braid. Yes guys, for a while now I've been wanting to do this braid on myself, but I was just scared that I won't be able to get it. But at last I decided to give it a go, and this is the result. It is not perfect, but I am sure proud of myself. So if you want to see how I achieved this braid, do not go away, keep on watching.
Way, cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama says
So guys, to make the hair a bit easier for me, I already portioned it before I started. See what I did here? So I don't have the stress of trying to part my hair. So here I'll be applying shea butter to soften it. And I use a full pack of the expression attachments. You know, it's a jumbo braid, and I actually did it a feed-in braid, or what we call the Ghana weaving. What I did here is that I braided the starting of the hair first before I started applying the attachment. I mean, before I started doing the Ghana weaving. You can see my cutting isn't very clear. It's not easy to do your hair yourself, especially a feed-in braid like this.
they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Cha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 bum. Oi. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 bum. Oi. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me pay chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. the DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me.
As you can see, I'm done with the back, guys, so I'm going to start with the front part now.
Carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, Lego. Ha, ha. Oh, na na. Bum, 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 oi. Oh, na na. Na, 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum, 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 oi. Oh, na na. Na, 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 na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me.
So I'm all done, hair is ready. So the next step is I'm just going to trim it a bit and put it in hot water to make it relax.
She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing.
Putting it in hot water now.
House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll.
So we've come to the end of this video, guys. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.